Hi friends, it's Mark from movingtruckdriver.com. And if you're looking for information about tips for packing for your next move or for your next U-Haul rental, well, this video is for you. But first, let's talk about what not to pack. Just because you own it doesn't mean that you should move it. Hazardous materials can endanger both yourself and your belongings. Some items to consider not packing can include propane cylinders, paint thinners, nail polish remover, fireworks matches, automobile repair and maintenance chemicals, lighter fluid, gasoline, flammable liquids and solids, compressed gases, and of course, oxygen bottles are very dangerous. This may all seem like common sense now, but at the time of your move, this stuff can often be overlooked. Now that you know what not to pack, let's talk about some of the things you will need to prepare to pack. Some of those items may be quality, strong moving boxes in a variety of different shapes and sizes, 2-inch packing tape, permanent markers, masking tape, scissors, tissue paper, butcher paper, and of course a good sharp utility knife you'll definitely need. If you need a moving calculator to figure out just how many boxes and packing supplies you will need for your move, just go to movingtruckdriver.com and search for the calculator there. There you will find all the items you will need to move a studio apartment all the way up to a 5-bedroom home. Some packing boxes and cartons that you may need for your move could include wardrobe cartons, which have the built-in bar right in them for all your hanging clothes, mirror cartons, mattress cartons, double wall cartons for extra protection from those breakable items like china and pottery and crystal and just those items that are super special to you and your family. Small, medium, large cartons, extra large cartons, and of course stretch wrap can be used to protect all of your furniture and keep all your items that extra level of safety surrounding them. It's overwhelming and can be a lot. Be sure to check out the moving calculator to help make some sense of it all for you. Another item to consider is don't rush your move. Loading a U-Haul or a rental truck can be an overwhelming task, one that many people underestimate. We recommend packing over an extended period of time and having all your items fully packed by the day that your moving truck arrives. Some tips to help get you to accomplish this all on time is to get organized. Use a calendar to plan what to pack and when. Many people underestimate just how long of a process this is. Begin with the storage areas, such as a basement or an attic. Next, pack the seasonal items for the season that you are not in. For example, if it's summer, pack your winter gear and your winter clothes. Pack room by room to help you ensure that you stay organized, and designate a work area in each room to help you stay organized. Sort pack boxes by room and by weight. Box nothing more than 40 pounds into one container. Hurting yourself during a move is problematic and makes it an overwhelming task even more overwhelming. And of course, leave out those essential items that you will need for the morning of the move. Lastly, let's talk about some best practices. Some of our best tips for packing that will help you ensure that your belongings arrive safely. Label each carton in detail. Buy a multi-pack of Sharpies and mark each box with a room number, general contents, and whether the box may be fragile. Use the phrase "this side up" when applicable, and of course with breakables. To make your unpack go smoother and with more priority, you may want to label the boxes in a numbering code, such as 1A, 1B, 1C, or kitchen 1, kitchen 2, kitchen 3, simply to help you unpack in the proper order to make sure that your contents aren't all over your new home. Pack boxes in layers with a sheet of cardboard or some crushed paper, like the butcher paper, in between. Place screws and other hardware in small plastic bags and tie them together so that they all stay organized. Be smart about your packing. Don't pack breakables with a cast iron pan. Keep pairs of items and similar items together. And towels and blankets can be used for padding and cushioning all your belongings, and they can always be washed on the tail end of your trip. For very fragile items, pack them in Pack them in individual small boxes and pack those small boxes into larger boxes. A box is perfectly packed when you can tape it securely closed with a perfectly flat cover. Wind electrical cords and cables so that they don't dangle and catch on fire. And finally, seal each carton very tightly with tape. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video, and perhaps some of the tips will come in handy on your next move. And please remember, our dedicated, experienced professionals ensure your cherished belongings arrive at your new home and on schedule. Your priorities are our priorities at Moving Truck Driver. We've earned the reputation as one of the nation's premier long-distance moving truck driving companies by putting our clients first with every move. Give yourself the gift of a stress-free moving experience with us as your trusted partners. Hire a moving truck driver today. For a free quote or for more information about Moving Truck Driver, please be sure to click the link below or head to movingtruckdriver.com. We appreciate you watching. Thank you.